Welcome this video. Lawman enters landscape idea for your front yard. Your front yard is the first thing people see when that appear your home and create an appeared yard easy to manage. Landscape can enhance curb appear without limited contrast upkeep. Whether you are a bus homeowner, a new gardening, or just a way to read yard work, lawman and trust landscape is a smart and style solved. We explored a various of lawman and trust landscape idea to help you design a front yard that both beautiful and easy to care for. From trouble plants and hardscape other and smart gardening design type when choose low main interest landscape. Before divide into idea, later understood when low main interest landscape is benefit. See time, little more water and work. Read water main low main interest design you double plants and relax. Eco friendly. Open natural plants which requested few climax and regulated cost effect. Loss main interest often mean low line team choose. Cub appear even simple landscape both home various and aesthetic. Use double and natural plants. Choose the right plant is key to low maintenance landscape. Other for double trellis plant. If you live in the due to hard climates, those plants requested low water and gardening heather. Great double trellis plant. Add natural plants are well advertising to gardening solve and climax mean then with little harmful choose with low and extend often for a list of natural plants up for your area. Incorporating hardscape elements. Hardscape reference to no living elements like part away, patio, relax valve and rock. Those functional not only add structure, add elegance to your yard but also redeem and space that need regulated care. Popular hardscape give of stone where walk, stop, stone, design build, rustic gardening bed, low maintenance bed, youth hardscape, thoughtful care, water use and maximum week or to remove area while add various install gardening cover, traditional lowing and high maintenance that requested move water and freeze. Consider replace and regulate your with the low gardening group cover. Low maintenance group cover includes both sand those alternated to hard some food traffic and look last without natural and moving setup. Embrace much bed. Much is the front yard best friend when it's come to landscape. It's supplement with growing, regulating some temperature, both honoring and you can use wood cubs level and decoration stone too much appear 2 to 3 inch area tray trouble flower bed for maximize effective not only do much read maximizes but it's also give your landscape a publish and private look. Choose every gardening privacy year role color and shade without seasoning main interest companion with privacy which requesting even role and you will have some funding for a beauty and easy care front yard. Low maintenance every gardening boxwood jumping regulated hub salt pens one emulsion those plants with maximize care and privacy color and textile year roll after year roll year create a rock gardening. Rock gardening is a beauty natural look alternative to traditional flower bed. It's convenient rock for various size with hard plants that regulation in rock to dew stone. Step to creating a rock gardening. Choose a summer wild design area, low landscape fiber and to privacy weak arrangement rock at double its in a natural rock layout fit in growing with glassy plants like sand hard choose of your rule. Your rule requested little water and atmosphere not main interest. One publish. Design with rock bed and plants. Rock bed and long plant simple main interest by impression develop and red wake. Then also make plants and hard effect for any one with mobile challenge benefit of your rule and plants. Define appear. Better contract for salt quality. Easy access for plants and pot. Great for smart and weak space. Use plants with every gardening versus for seasoning flower to add color without decorating for in gardening bed. Install an automatic rain setup. Having the most double tolerant landscape benefit for oasis water requesting double hot and dew space. Your plants get just when then need without wash and hot. Weather trolling functional to consider mouth seasoning, drain switch off seasoning, applying center zoom water and plants net during installed good for plants and vegetable gardening with smart setup water while for even and salt. Use seasoning and simple in design. A clean design is not only a trust, it's also to main entrance appear every covered your yard with the tallest main plants type shade functional design Simple design, report, shade and color. Use geometric layout for plants and beds. Choose 3 to 5 crore plants and requested theme. Keyboard netted with edge and hardscape. Less red is more than it's come to man and trust. Add a sit area feature, transforming part of your front yard into the use space by add a bring set or part smart patio. Not only do this requested plant space, it also give your plants home warm welcome. Various use can foundational this area. Post plant solar lighting, a smart water feature. Those functional requested little care but also personal and charm. Choose the low main interest tree if you want shade or structure in your front yard tree, and the give adjust, but some tree drop shape arrangement of level, so choose warm low main interest tree, jumping dogwood, redwood, or that tree with alternating root mean to high water need. Popular placement also met. Do not place tool, choose to your home and use line. Use low main entrance. Landscape here appear. Landscape fiber can be usable under much rock with growing privacy. Weak, while not sub for even bed or plants type. If work while and warm up rock gardening and air tree to sub type. Use high quality fiber, not plant some as requested. Place its sub not only to plants arrange and sub even in the functional. Get for color throwing, not just plants. Flower and beautiful, but then requested hard dog to requested care. Plants not often just as much color with functional low wood. Plants and various appear. Hardscape, various jumping, glowing, soft gold tone. Those plants often sub glowing interior and sub while with every gardening flower pack. Light up your landscape. Outdoor land add charm, soft and security. Solar power or lights various in easy to install and requested various not main interest light idea part light work light up under tree and soft lights and home functional lecturing or strolling light area set area lights can various even the simplicity landscape and make it sub after during finally touch low maintenance landscape do not mean board, it's mean sophistication and sub to your lifestyle by select the right plants simplicity design and use to like much hardscape and smart tutorial, you can create a front yard that look amazing all year with the maximize